everyone, I am back with another Nature's Art haul. Kim was having a 20% off Facebook fan page, so I decided to take advantage and order more of her skincare multi-pack. The first one that I got is Monsoon Honey, and she had sent me a sample of this in my last order. And I really like the scent. It's a very warm, honey, oatmeal, comforting scent, and so really love this. And here is the bubbling sugar scrub, and that's what it looks like. It has a beautiful golden yellow honey color, and the scent of this is a lot stronger than the soap, and it has a slight floral scent, but I think it adds to the smell and I really like it. The next two that I got is part of her new scent line, and this one is called Black Raspberry Vanilla, and this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful purple color with black swirls on top. And this scent is very fruity, kind of grapey, but still very clean smelling. And it's really nice. And this is what the scrub looks like. It's a beautiful purple color, and that was one of the main reasons why I got it, because my favorite color is purple, and look at that. And this smells more fruity. You can smell the vanilla, and it's still very clean smelling. It smells so nice. And the next one that I got is called French Market. And this is what it looks like. It's pink with green swirls right there, and dried flowers on top, roses and different sorts of flowers. And this is floral, but not too floral. It's still a floral clean scent. So I really like that because I'm not really a floral person. But this is really nice. And this is what the scrub looks like. It's very nice pink color. And the scrub smells more perfumey, but it's still a clean perfumey scent. So I still really like that. It's very nice. Kim and Art also sent me a 2-ounce bedside goat milk lotion in coconut mango. Kim had made this for me because I couldn't make up my mind on what lotion scent to order. And this smells very like tropical scent, and I really like it. I don't really like coconut, but blended with a mango, it just smells so tropically and fruity and sweet, and this smells really good. So thank you so much for this, Kim. I really love it. And she sent me 2 little samples of her Shea Body Butter sample in Wasabi, and this is what it looks like. Where's the consistency? It's very light, but it's very rich, and it sinks right in. And this is a really nice sample. And one more in Sanguine, and I really love this scent as well. That's what it looks like. So that's everything that I got. Shipping was really fast. Her turnaround time was really fast as well, so I'm really impressed. And I love everything, so thank you so much, Kim and Art, for this. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.